In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Can't Connect Securely to this page on Microsoft Edge. This issue can stop you from opening websites, but the good news is that it's usually easy to solve. Let's start with the most common fix, clearing your browser data. Open Microsoft Edge, then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go into Settings. From there, go to Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data, then click Choose What to Clear. Select cached images and files, as well as cookies and site data, then click Clear Now. After that, restart your browser and try loading the website again. If the problem is still there, the next step is to make sure your browser is updated. Go back into Settings and open About Microsoft Edge. The browser will automatically check for updates. If something is available, let it install completely, then restart Edge again. Another thing you can try is adjusting security settings. In Settings, go to Privacy, Search, and Services, then open the Security section. You'll see an option called Enhance Your Security on the Web. Sometimes switching this to a less strict mode can help certain websites load properly. Just be careful and choose the setting that still feels safe for you. If nothing works so far, check your antivirus or firewall. These programs can sometimes block websites by mistake. Try disabling them briefly and see if the page loads. If it does, you'll need to adjust those security settings instead of keeping them off. Finally, don't forget something simple, your system date and time. If they're incorrect, secure websites may refuse to load. Fixing them to the correct time often solves the issue instantly. And that's how you fix the Can't Connect Securely to this page problem in Microsoft Edge. Try these steps one by one, and you should be back to browsing without errors in no time.